Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to reference a map in Avenza Maps. So if you want a map to work with GPS positioning, it needs to be properly referenced, also known as georeferenced. So first open the Avenza Map app, and if you're importing an existing map, make sure it's already georeferenced before importing it. A properly referenced map contains location information that allows Avenza Maps to match the map to real-world GPS coordinates. And after importing the map, open it and enable location services. And if the map is correctly referenced, your GPS location should appear on the map while you're using it. And if you're creating your own maps, you'll need to georeference them using compatible GIS or mapping software before importing them into Avenza Maps. So that was how to reference a map in Avenza Maps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.